everybody, it's Anne, and I'm doing this whole cabin tour thing a little different because, I'm not sure that all cabins are alike. I'm going to show you what our cabin looked like, what I liked about it, what I didn't like about it. So as soon as you come in the door, you turn around, and of course you've got your emergency information where you would need to go if there were ever an emergency. You've also got your lock for your lock door, and I'll tell you a story about lock doors in a little while. But over here, this is where your, let's see if I can get some more light over here. Whoops, that's not doing the trick, is it? Well, anyway, your life vests and your extra sheets and stuff. Some room down here for suitcase storage or something. Here's your main controls, your lights. We've got 2 hooks here. Now, I'm not so sure that's a great placement for them because it's right next to the door, and this is not a very wide space. So whatever you hang up there, a robe, a nightgown, whatever, is going to fall off because you are going to rub against it. It's a very narrow space. With that being said, let's open this up. We've got a shelf up top. We've got your safe, which we never really use. We've got a shelf here. This is all of our clothes for tomorrow for our disembarkation boo-hiss. And then you've got 3 drawers that are all equally the same. What I like about them is that they just shut. We had some drawers on another cruise ship that did not shut. You had to force them. Those shut. Let's turn around and give you a look here because this is your closet space. Now, we've cruised with Princess before and I've loved the closet space. Not so much on this ship because you've got enough room here for like some men's shirts, maybe some pants. And then this side here is a little bit longer where you can hang your robes. My husband brought his New Jersey Giants, New York Giants. Did I say Jersey Giants? I meant New York Giants. His robe that my son Michael got him for Christmas. And some longer things. You also have 2 shelves that we use for shoes. His and hers. But I've already packed up all of them except for 1 pair that Steve will be using tonight. I do like that the closet's illuminated. That is very neat. However, like I said, not much space. Not much space at all. You do have a full-length mirror. Look, there's my arm. Oh, there I am. Get out of the shot, Ann. Get out of the shot. How am I in that shot? I don't know. That's kind of weird. And over here you have your hair dryer. They do have a really nice hair dryer, though. I will give them that. And your little fridge. Now, if you're an elite member, you'll get a little mini bar set up in here. We're not elite yet. Steve turns elite, not elite. He turns platinum, diamond, something he's turning after this cruise. So we've got some shelves up here. Over here you have a desk with a nice grip on that chair to pull it out. And then drawer space. You've got a nice work area. It's a very nice work area. As you can see, I've got everything packed up. Spinning around here. We have the deluxe cabin, and the deluxe cabin did come with a little seating area, which is very nice. 2 robes that we never wore. We did not wear them, but it is very pretty. Very pretty. It is very clean. Please don't mind my mess. I'm telling you, I'm doing this backwards. This is the day before disembarkation, so all of our bags are being packed. Dinner clothes are out. Last bag to get packed. But, and each side of the bed does have a little side table. And you will have a plug to plug in something like a fan if you need a fan. There's USB to USB and C to C over here so you can charge most of your electronics. This little light comes out if you need a little light at night for reading. I know most of us just use our phones, so a light is not necessary. I did have a very, very nice TV. The quality of the TV was excellent. And I know that doesn't matter to most people, but when you need a little bit of downtime, this is the perfect spot. It's so quiet and comfortable and nice and clean. And I know that sounds crazy because it's a new ship, but it's nice and clean. And Steve has his little side table over there. There is a light up here that will just illuminate the curtains at night, if that's what you choose to do. And again, I don't know if I mentioned it, but right over there, those are the controls for the lights. So you can get in bed, not have to get out of bed to turn lights off. It's wonderful. Now, like I said, we did have a deluxe balcony. So let's take a peek outside at the deluxe balcony. And it's very simple because it's just 2 chairs and a table, which is fine. This is what you get a balcony for. This is it, people. Now, I will say that I do not like that idea. I do not like that people can look down over you. What kind of privacy is that? None whatsoever. This is all part of the, it's not the Havana area. It's something else. And I'll have to get back to you on that. But this is their private little area. They've got a hot tub, their own little deck. And then the people at the bottom have their little space for themselves. And it's really cool. Look up there. That's the bridge. You see that? It's amazing. Let's get you a little bit more of that vitamin C. Alright, let's bring it on back into the room. So I was trying to be quiet out there because I like to respect the privacy of others, and I don't know if there was anybody else, leave that open, anybody else out on their deck or not, on their patio, whatever you want to call it. Balcony, there's the word I was looking for, balcony. So all in all, great room. A few things that I would make a recommendation. Let's give you a little twirly twirl. There we go. A little twirly twirl. This is the largest balcony that we have ever had. The largest balcony room that we have ever had on Princess or even Carnival. So, but all right. So let's go in here. We have not seen this little doozy yet. Now there is a little bit of a step. So watch your feet because you will stub them. Now I'm not going to show you the mirror because you don't really need to see me. But you do still get your 3 nice shelves so that you can organize your things. I was so happy because I forgot to bring some body lotion, and look what I found. They had body lotion. So happy. In the toilet, and I will show you this. I do like that the mirror does have these lights, so it does help if you're a makeup kind of gal, which I am not. But here's my only complaint about the bathroom. It's not the size. Technically, it's not the size. It could be the size. Because I'm a big person. I have no problem being in here to go to the bathroom, to use the shower, whatever I have to do, I have no problem. Here's the problem. And I think this is what a lot of people are talking about when they talk about the shower. Because notice, it's glass doors. It's not a shower curtain, which I love. However, to open this shower door up, you've got to straddle the toilet behind you almost and open it up. Now, you can get into the shower, and let me just show you the floor, because I think the floor is amazingly beautiful. I mean, it flows from one part of the bathroom to the other. I don't care if it's got a shave your leg bar. I guess that's what we're calling this. I don't care about that. I can still touch my toes, kind of, sort of, so shaving's not an issue. But what I do like is that this controls the flow or the power of your water. This is the temperature. And what I love about it is when this little pin is up, that's a neutral. So that's not going to get any hotter than that. But if you want it to go hotter, you have to push the pin and turn it to the hot side. So I think that's really good for people that are traveling with little kids because you don't have to worry about them getting burned. Something else I did not use the little laundry line that connects from there to there so you can hang up your bathing suits. I don't know why they do that, because your bathing suit doesn't dry in here. They did offer shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. However, you know me, I brought my own. I do like the detachable. Okay, but let's see what happens when we get in here and we close the door. Okay, we're in the shower now, so we're gonna get out, right? We gotta open this up, step out, and we're good to dry off. Now, again, and I'm gonna spin this way so I don't get the mirror. When you're ready to shut the shower door, straddle the toilet and close the door. Or you can do like I do, dry off in the shower. When you step out, you have this door open already, and just hop out to do what you gotta do. I do that at home too, so it's not just a cruise thing, it's a me thing. But, oh, and let me show you. That is motion censored, and that will come on if you get up during the night to use the potty. Great for families with kids. I'm telling you. This is your, as you can see, this is your temperature control for the room, and this is the coldest. Now I will tell you that the other night this was not on because it was freezing cold in here. I know, I couldn't believe it either, but it was. So, all in all, a great little room. That was my one thing about the bathroom. Other than that, I love it. I love that our room steward comes in the morning, makes the bed up to look like this. Then at night, we have turn down service. So he'll come in and remove the extra pillows, the accent pillows, and he'll get our bed ready for us. And I love that. And if you've never slept on a princess bed before, oh my God, you've got to try it. So anyway, that concludes our room tour. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that if you're staying on Princess, this kind of gives you an idea as to what to look forward to. I know I watched several videos from people like Para DJ, Lalita Loca, and a couple other videos, because I like to know ahead of time. I like to know what I'm in for. And I'll tell you what, Princess did not disappoint with this. They did not. So if you're going to be on the Sun Princess and you've got a deluxe balcony room, here you go. This is it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy your cruise, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.